friends! Today we will learn about clothes. Ready? Let's go!
T-shirt.
A t-shirt is a light top we wear in warm weather.
T-shirt. Pants.
Pants are clothes we wear on our legs.
Pants. Shoes.
Shoes protect our feet when we walk or run.
Shoes. Hat.
A hat covers our head from sun or cold.
Hat. Socks.
Socks keep our feet warm and soft.
Socks. Jacket.
A jacket keeps us warm on cold days.
Jacket. Dress.
A dress is a pretty one-piece outfit.
Dress. Shorts.
Shorts are short pants we wear in summer.
Shorts. Skirt.
A skirt is like a dress, but only for the bottom.
Skirt. Gloves.
Gloves keep our hands warm.
Gloves. Scarf.
A scarf wraps around the neck to keep it warm.
Scarf. Raincoat.
A raincoat keeps us dry when it rains.
Raincoat. Boots.
Boots are strong shoes for rain or snow.
Boots. Backpack.
A backpack is a bag we carry on our back.
Backpack. Sunglasses.
Sunglasses protect our eyes from the sun.
Sunglasses. Belt.
A belt helps keep pants in place.
Belt. Watch.
A watch tells us the time.
Watch. Cap.
A cap is a hat with a visor to block the sun.
Cap. Pajamas.
Pajamas are clothes we wear for sleeping.
Pajamas. Winter coat.
A winter coat is warm and thick for cold days.
Winter coat. Sandals.
Sandals are open shoes for hot weather.
Sandals.
Thank you for watching.